In this tutorial, we'll show you how to copy and paste text on your Samsung phone. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Copying and pasting is a great time saver, so you don't have to retype the same text over and over again. Let's get started. First, go to the text you want to copy. For example, I've just done a Google search for YouTube. Now, to copy the text, tap and hold on the words you want to select. The text will start to highlight, and you'll see blue markers at both ends. You can adjust the selection by dragging those blue markers to include the exact text you need. Once you've selected everything you want, press copy. Next, go to where you want to paste the text. It will say copied to clipboard. In this case, I'm pasting it into my Notes app. I tap on the text field, then tap again, and the paste option will appear. Simply tap paste, and the text will be inserted. And that's it. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to leave a like.